Can I get a caramel ribbon crunch grande?
Okay.
People be talking hella crap on Starbucks. But like, come on though, like you ain't getting this quality from McDonald's, you feel me? I mean, I know I could have just went to McDonald's and got a Frappuccino, but you ain't getting this quality at McDonald's, man. Get you some Starbucks, man.
Hey yo.
Bike's all built up. What's up, Stu?
Is that his bike? Is that his worm?
What y'all run? What you running your tire?
30.
In the front?
Yeah.
Hell no, you got the 80 in that shit.
Hell no.
Yeah, it said 80. That boy
fucking-
talking about 80 in that
Whoa.
bitch. Stop playing. That boy's tripping.
What you running your back?
I'm gonna put 45 in the rear. Gives it
45.
that little cut more.
What? I run 65.
Oh.
I run 30. You gotta put 65. You want that swerve action.
Oh, my fault, demon.
80, bro.
But the swerve action on the C100 is crazy.
Wait, where's the?
You can ride it?
I like 50 in that
50?
shit. Yeah.
Alright, man, we gonna throw 55.
Since you don't like 60. Yo, y'all wanna play catch? Y'all wanna play catch?
I spend the money, then recoup before I sleep. I do the sales, I put the brand across the seat, nigga. I check the mail for my check and then repeat, nigga. I hear you niggas out there grinding up your teeth, nigga. She look at you like she shoulda hit delete, nigga. That's probably because I'm burning up the heat, nigga. It's probably because he pulled up in the Jeep, nigga. These bitches easy, nigga, just believe and see, nigga. I'm smoking weed because it's my favorite element. I give no fuck about none of you niggas or who you stepping with. I saw a nigga talking shit and then he fell in it. She can't tell me she in love, I'm repelling it. She got real good skin with some melanin. I'm in the dark, now I think I'm back in hell again. See me smoke a blunt while I drop the engine in. I'm doing hood rat shit with all my friends again. Fuck with me, I put them hackers on your VPN. I send the browser history to a nigga girlfriend. I heard that nigga came up missing with no whirlwind. I'm the type to put the beef into a whirlwind. I'm sipping whiskey while I sit and watch the world end. I wanna party with you niggas, let the girls in. I throw a party by myself, ain't no one getting in. She sip Bacardi by herself, she don't need a friend. I spend the money, then recoup before I sleep.
The next day.
Alright guys, currently out on a bike ride. I don't know if you guys saw, but yes, I did change the bars on my C100, guys. The mountain bike bars were just too low for me, and I'm a tall guy with long arms, so I needed, you know, something that would have me a little bit more comfortable and something that was good for my back. So until I can find some tall rise mountain bike bars, the Broke Boys 4-piece bars are just gonna have to do for now. We got my boy Manny with me. He ain't really bike life, but he said he said he gonna pop out today, go for a ride with the Steez. I got him on the new C100 that I just unboxed. One Way Corey is gonna be riding this. Oh, guys, March something. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. One Way Corey are hosting it. Collective Bikes, you know the vibes. No hand. I'm honestly loving these handlebars on this bike. Like him on that black bike, he's kind of like, you know, like, and don't get me wrong, it's a mountain bike, but I want this to be like a dailyable mountain bike wheelie bike. And come on, man. chilling on my C100 selfie. With my boy Manny.
Yes, sir.
Y'all follow him on IG. We got Wall Street Manny on the cam.
Wall Street Cuba, nigga.
My fault. Wall Street Cuba on the cam. All right, I'm gonna put his ad up on the screen.
Oh, wait, it might be Wall Street Manny. I think I changed it.
If you're trying to get right in the gym, hit him up.
Let's go, let's go.
We're currently in that process. Let me flex from real quick.
Oh
Manny.
shit,
Hold
oh
up.
shit.
Hold on. Bam! Oh, the seat. This is the seat from my fast stripper. I swapped the seats just because I wanted to ride with that seat, but I'm going to put the original seat back on. You guys are wondering what bars these are Broke Boys BMX bars. They're the 4-piece versions. They have a 2-piece and a 4-piece. This is the 4-piece version. And oh, also guys, we installed box 2 tires on there, 29 by 2.35. They alright. I mean, I like the Maxis better, but these are smooth, you know, they cutting. So I'm gonna just leave them on the bike. Like the C100 is honestly like my cruiser cut up bike, nothing too crazy. I got some plans for this thing, some electrical plans for this thing that you guys are gonna see soon, but this is the black C100 that I just unboxed. This is the Pro as well, I believe. And this thing is pretty clean. Comment down below which one y'all like, the concrete gray or the black one. Which one you like, Manny? This guy is on his phone 24/7.
The reason I like it, I don't know why, but I just like it.
All right,
It's smooth. It didn't hurt my ass till now.
all right.
And the brakes are, I don't know what I just said, but
So you're gonna be riding bikes often or what?
maybe for cardio, yeah, a little bit.
All right. My fault, Mr. Gym Fitness guy. All right, guys, let me get y'all attention for like 1 minute. All right, because I kind of got cut off when I was trying to announce this ride out that me and One Way Corey are doing. So, if you guys didn't know, I don't know if Collective posted it or not. By the time you guys are watching the video, they probably already did. March 11th, again, I'm going to put the flyer up on the screen. Me and One Way Corey are hosting a ride out in Miami. All right. Corey's gonna be out there. I'll be out there on my C100. Guys, if you have a C100, if you got a collective bike, pop out to this. If you have an SE bike or any other bike with gears, pop out to this. It doesn't matter what bike you ride, honestly, but this is a collective bikes ride. I just want to let y'all know that. March 11, flyers up on the screen. The meetup spot is not on the flyer, but I'll go ahead and tell you guys it's Miami Government Center. Miami Government Center Station. If you live in Miami and you've been to a few Miami rideouts, you should know where that's at. But if you don't know, Miami Government Station, search it up on Google, on your Apple Maps, wherever it is, you will find it. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. I did use some copyright music in the beginning of the video, but hey, you know what? I had to, make the edit fire for y'all. So please, guys, hit that like button. It really helps out a lot. Really, really does. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.